Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to download Widgetsmith app on a device. So to know more about this and its features, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So Widgetsmith app is an app which is used to create custom widgets for your iPhone's home screen, and it allows you to personalize your screen with widgets for things like calendar events, time, weather, photos and more, giving your device a unique look. So it have its amazing features to explore for iPhone users. So to download this app, you just need to visit to your app store, or if you are an Android user, you can simply visit to your Play Store and download the app very easily. So as I am iOS user, I will visit my app store, and this is the very first homepage of this app, and here you can see the various options below the pages. From all of this, you just need to click on the option search, which is at the very bottom right of this page, and after that just need to search the relative app, that is Widgetsmith. So now here you can see the app Widgetsmith on a device. You just need to go to their app icon, and here you can see its features. This is how you can just customize your home screen too. So to get this app, you need to just click on the option get, which is highlighted in color blue. Just click on this, and if you are downloading it for the very first time, you have to just verify yourself by double clicking on your power button of your device. Just click on this app get and verify yourself by double clicking. You just need a face ID to download it. So now that's it. That's how you will be verified to this app, and your app will be available on your device within a very few seconds or minutes in your device. So, and after downloading it, you just need to open the app and start its amazing features to explore. So that's how you can just download it. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.